Okay, cue music. Dun, 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 dun. There it is. The rolling chassis. Even with a few setbacks, we persevered. And there she is. I'm quite proud of what we've accomplished in 4 weeks. Looks good. Yes, indeed. Later. Well, this is kind of a sad sight. We've put the rolling chassis underneath the overhang of the garage, covered it up with some plastic. This is where it's going to sit until my return, probably in April or May. I didn't want to cover it up. I just wanted to sit back and look at it for a while. It's like a work of art. Yeah. And over here, there's my stack of sheet metal I've got to work on. I started trying to strip it, but there are sections of this hood that just don't want. That stripper's been on there for 10 minutes. Hadn't even hardly phased it. But parts of it came right up, parts of it didn't. So rather than do that, I think I'm just going to take a DA with it, with some 80 grit, and get that paint off. Well, the DA was even slower than the stripper, having to sand through 5 layers of paint. You get the metal, you get the original primer, you get the sealer, you get the original green, and you get the new primer, and then the respray. So I am going to subscribe to the put the stripper on, drink a beer and watch it work, put another layer of stripper on, drink some more beer and watch it work. It looks to be working, albeit slowly. Later.